are going to make our holiday flavor pork Cuban roast pork. What I love most about this concept is that we take dishes from all over the world and get to celebrate these cultures in our cafe every Friday. We're going to start off by making the marinade. We're going to pour it over the pork shoulder and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Alright, well it is the next morning and I'm going to take our Cuban roast pork out of the refrigerator and let it sit for 45 minutes before I transfer it to the roasting pan. This will cook at 375 for 2 hours. At this point, I'm going to cover it with foil and cook another 2 to 4 hours. Oh, this smells so amazing. So next we want to crisp up the edges a little bit. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of salt, and we're just going to cover it. I'm going to broil it for just a few minutes until we get this light golden brown color. Let's slice into this and give it a try. I really love getting to share all of these amazing recipes, not just with our guests and staff, but with my family at home.